money. They don't. They hate me. With the money, they hate me. Yeah, money.
The kid learned an important lesson. Not every dog speaks the language of kisses. No map, no plan, just complete trust in each other.
That cat, the fuck.
变多变多，你这上。哎耶！
This toddler definitely has a trustworthy ally.
Oh.
I'm sorry your life turned out so bad. Don't blame me. You messed up yourself. You just focused on the bad stuff. And all you had to do
Oh, that's so nice.
was go to the past.
Yeah.
Can see it.
Mr. Joe.
Without the bodyguard's approval, nobody gets access.
Different ones.
Sit.
She's kind, she's compassionate, she's funny, and she's loyal. She doesn't fit into the boxes society has put her in.
Come in, Hank. Welcome.
Who knew herding skills would be perfect for babysitting duty? This boy's definitely growing into a thoughtful, gentle human.
이리 와. 나와.
Mom doesn't need to worry. Doggo's got this. Lee loves.
Don't forget to give her a kiss.
That's very sweet.
His lullaby worked, just not on the right person.
Är det där kora? Knosan. Knosan.
The dog only leaves after the boy falls asleep, and the boy only sleeps when the dog is there. He wants to spend all his time with his big brother. Let them be together. It's to the zoo. That's where love starts.
Do you have a good...
Finally, the dream bed he always wanted. When problems show up, the solution is usually don't go. According to this Frenchie's daily schedule, the kiss quota must reach at least 100.
Was he smelling you?
Babysitting. only love could convince him to accept such difficulty.
Whew, he stopped seizing, thank goodness. What's his blood pressure? Oh, he's stabilizing. Start antibiotics. Get a blood culture. Okay.
Fastest way to make a friend. Just
Baby.
sweet dreams.
You love Ra Ra. That's so sweet.
Oh, that's sweet.
Hallå, husse. Kom igen. Hallå.
Careful. Don't boo him, he's a baby.
This is exactly why raising kids with playtime never really grows up. It just
Pa? Look at Pa. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Roll over.
Cute. Cheese. Is she cute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
with this duo, the house will never be quiet again.
I want a cookie. That's it. Good job.
The dog doesn't want the ball. He just wants to see his human smile.
Mama, roll it.
Since meeting his buddy, this cowboy puppy happily works as an amateur horse. To be a professional nanny, you don't need
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this, I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
matching tan skin. Their own way of proving the friendship is real. That's why parents feel totally safe trusting their greatest treasure to this.
He was cold?
Yes, and I get him one. You see? I can get Can you go back?
This boy's definitely growing into a thoughtful, gentle human. Sometimes he just needs to remind everyone this human belongs to him.
Annie,
Kids get jealous fast. Buy matching socks, trust me.
give it back. What do you got?
Yeah, he has to draw. Oh, he drew one. He could put that down.
Great job, Kevin.
Ha!
With support like this, she's growing up fearless. The dog thinks he's on the nice list. The baby is still deciding. This friendship has rules, and he plans to follow every single one.
I had no idea.
Give him a kiss.
I tried to go. You know it.
Don't forget to give her a kiss.
Touch this baby's best friend, and you're asking for trouble.
Softness.
You will, Bobby. Yeah.
They might not realize it, but love is already teaching them how to care for each other.
That cat. That cat. Beautiful.
变装，你这上。哎耶！
No words were spoken, but inside the dog's mind, it's just again, again, again. We've got each other. Whoa there! Time to learn the difference between food and not food.
Say vegetables!
Last picture that you took on your phone, post right now on TikTok. This is mine.
Sometimes, princess. The dog thinks he's on the nice list. The baby is still deciding. When they're together, the rest of the world disappears.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Não é possível isso.
That dolphin just fell in love at first sight. No question. Undefeated.
She flops on the floor.
Tickler.
Tickler. Tickler.
Ahí está el pajarito.
Good job.
The dog doesn't want the ball. He just wants to see his human smile.
You getting her, Missy? He got you. He's kidding you.
With a big sister like that, Mom and Dad finally get to rest. The dog only leaves after the boy falls asleep, and the boy only sleeps when the dog is there.
Cute. Cheese. Is she cute? Yeah. Yeah.
Warmth isn't automatic, it's learned at home.
Eat it. I touched it.
Babysitting. Babies speak the language of hugs. Dogs prefer the dialect of nonstop licking.
Não é possível isso.
Nope.
This toddler definitely has a trustworthy ally.
What? What, Ducky? What? 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 Oh, no! No!
Classic sibling energy.
Baby. Oh, trying to get a fall. You want to find the crack crack?
Looks like they're becoming best friends through pure baby dog telepathy. That's why parents feel totally safe trusting their greatest treasure to this.
Lulu, deixa ele.
Once a dog decides you're family, even your weirdest smell becomes their favorite perfume.
Fala pra ela sair, filho.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
This dog isn't just a childhood friend, he's part of the family story. Playtime never really grows up. It just...
Nope.
hugged him tight, like saying, "I've got you, buddy," always.
Ahí está el pajarito.
Oh dear, hard to tell who the real baby is.
비비 너가 많아.
내가 아빠야.
Last picture that you took on your phone, post right now on TikTok. This is mine.
Sometimes just need love. There's no better sidekick for a kid than a loyal furry friend.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
You can tell this little one is being raised right. Babies and animals don't need rules, they just vibe.
Toc, toc. ¿Otra vez?
That dolphin just fell in love at first sight, no question. Babies and animals don't need rules, they just vibe.
Toc, toc. ¿Otra vez?
Say hi.
Ah.